Hello everyone, and welcome back to DMG. What I have right here is a small form factor Optiplex 780. Now, this actually technically isn't mine. I'm just going to be taking a look, but it says right here that we have Windows 7 and a Core 2 Duo. And if we flip it around back, we've got very similar I/O to the Optiplex 760 that I own. Here's my Optiplex 760 full tower, and you can see that they are pretty much the exact same computer. I wouldn't be surprised if they used the same board. Actually, I was wondering where that was. Now, I'll move this out of the way. It's quite dusty, quite musty, quite crusty. Is this how the side panel comes off? Yes, it uses this little lever. Alright, so we got a cobweb. That's always a good sign. Oh hey, the AC turned off. Finally. So yeah, front is pretty dusty. We've got an interesting heatsink shape here. Pretty identical board layout to the 780. Now, or sorry, to the 760. I'm gonna pop that open too, just to compare. I always forget these things aren't ATX. And would you look at that? It's basically the same board. Now, I hope you can see this. Now, just looking at it, it looks like they are basically the same board. This one is missing a SATA port and the IDE port that this one has. It also has that weird extra bump on the PCI connector there. Probably for one of those things called an add to card that just adds another display output from the integrated graphics. Now, it looks like here our hard drive is under the optical drive. We've got the RAM in the same spot, CPU in the same spot, chipset in the same spot. So like, I know this board layout well. Does this take DDR3 or DDR2? I'm going to take a look at it, because I know the 760 takes DDR2, but I think the 780 is DDR3. I don't know about the small form factor ones though. Wow, that is stuck in there. PC3 10600U. I think that's DDR3. Okay. That's interesting, actually. I didn't expect that. So I'm going to leave it up to the IT department to upgrade this, actually, because, or the RAM at least, because I don't have any sort of DDR3 sticks to the capacity where I would be able to just, you know, put them in a system like this. I don't know if I've said this already, but it was my English teacher's former computer. She now has a complete overkill 8-core, 32 gigs of RAM Optiplex. It's like a 7010, I believe, for playing YouTube videos and PowerPoints. So that's probably going to last a good 10-15 years, just like this one did. So probably the only upgrade I will be making to it is possibly a Core 2 Quad CPU, because we likely still have the Core 2 Duo in it. And I'll probably stick a video card like this one in it as well, because that can really boost the performance of older systems. This would have been in the recycling already if it was getting thrown out. but this is definitely going to be a system that's redeployed. So I'm not going to mess with it too much. I just thought it would be interesting to take a look at. Also, if anyone cares, there's the side panel from the 780 versus the 760. And it's basically the same side panel. It's just... But yeah, I was honestly pretty surprised at the similarity to the Optiplex 760. I mean, it's basically the same board. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you next time.